Okay, now look over this kids channel, and this channel is getting tons of views. This video has received like millions of views, with the most popular ones receiving over 30 million views. And guess what? The graphic in this video can be quite simple, requiring nothing in any kind of like complex production. According to the Social Blade, it's getting tons of views, and you can see the income ranges here, and its yearly income ranges like more than 500k. That's incredible. And also there are other channels with the same niche getting these kind of views. These YouTube channels are so popular because they have recognized, understand and address the educational needs of little kids. Using these videos, parents can raise their children through animation, which allows kids to explore the world and pick up small life skills like letters, numbers, shapes and names of animals, things like that. And also these videos are very colorful and children like to engage with these videos. The strong value of animation get the kids' attention and keeping them occupied and giving parents some time for themselves. So parents like to play these videos to their children. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel but are having troubles coming up with ideas, you might want to consider going into children's learning content. In this video, I will show you the simple way to create these kind of animations, and stay tuned for the end because I'll share with you the full sample video. First, let's go to our dearest friend ChatGPT and ask him to generate a script for our video by inputting some basic information. So my prompt is like this. Please write a kids learning video script for me. Set the background in the forest. The host is an elephant who introduces himself and then introduces his friends monkey, rabbit, fox and owl to the audience. The animals briefly introduce themselves. The audience is preschoolers, so the tone should be engaging and the wording as simple as possible to make it easy for children to understand. The video is about 2 minutes long. If you have better prompts, by all means use them. You can change the story background, the animals, and however, keep in mind that your prompts should be as specific as possible to prevent the duplication and any demonetization concerns. Alright. Now ChatGPT reacts quickly and we can see it has given us information about the character's behavior as well as elements from the scene. And now I think it's great. So now let's go to the next step, which is to create voiceovers using a text-to-speech application. And remember, we are going to complete this whole tutorial using AI softwares. For voiceovers, I personally like to use ElevenLabs, which I think is like the most user-friendly AI text-to-speech technology currently in the market. Each user has free quota of 10,000 characters per month. And if you go to the speech synthesis interface, and here you can select voice you like from each voice sample. And now let's pay attention to these childish voices which seems to fit into the video of today because we are creating videos for kids. And I believe it's great, but keep in mind that we need 5 different voices for our video because there are 5 characters. So now let's go to voice library. And now here let's look for kids voice or childish voice, things like that. And here they are suggesting samples with young voices. And now let's listen to them and select your favorite voices. And after selecting the voice, here select Add to Voice Lab and click Add to Voice in the Voice Lab. And now after changing the voice name to the relevant character name. And now choose the character you wish to create. And now here click Use. And now copy your text from the ChatGPT and paste it here. And now let's click Generate. Let's listen to the output.
Hello, friends. Welcome to our beautiful forest. My name is Ellie the elephant, and I'm so excited to meet you all today. I have some wonderful friends who live here with me. Let's meet them, shall we?
Can you even tell that it was created using AI? And here's important note. Do not input all characters, all the script and all lines at once. Input them line by line so you can keep it organized. And now keep doing this, generate and name voiceovers in sections according to the script order. And this way you can quickly organize the voiceovers later for your video. After generating all the voiceovers, now we are moving forward to the third step, making the animation. Go to Canva and here select YouTube video. And now first we need the forest background. So here go to Elements and search for cartoon forest background. and there are tons of suggestions, and now let's select one, and now you can adjust it to the video. And now let's start with an opening for our video. Click on text, and here add a text box, and here you can paste the title, and for fun let's split the title into 2 text boxes. And here let's change the text color. Choose a cute font because we are creating this video for kids. Adjust the font size and add some text effect. And now let's add animation to both the image, the background and the text. Here select background and click animate. Here let's select photo zoom under the photo movement and select both, and do the same for the text. And now I feel like something is missing. It's music. I here click on elements and select audio and search for anything like happy children or happy children music or funny children or something like that. And now let's hear it out. Okay, I think this one is nice. And now add it to the timeline. And now let's check the preview. Excellent. Now our opening is ready. Now let's move on to the animation part. Add a new page. Here upload the background image. And let's bring our first character, the elephant. Search for element. Try to select a dynamic asset, any element with animations. Adjust the size and position. And now let's set an entrance animation. Here click create an animation to create custom animation by dragging the element to design its animation trajectory. For example, let's say I want the elephant to move from left to right. So I set its starting point and now drag it this way. Now you can adjust the speed and it's done. It's ready to go. Simple, right? Now next we have to import our voiceovers. For that, click on uploads. Choose the audio and select upload voiceovers. And you can upload your own voiceovers from here. And now drag the elephant's first line onto the timeline. And now here right click on the elephant. Select show timing. And now here set the elephant's entrance time. And then set the voiceover time slightly later than the elephant's entrance. And now let's preview it, you will get the idea. It should look something like this.
Hello, friends. Welcome to our beautiful forest.
Now follow the order of the script, add characters, add voiceovers to the scenes one by one. It is simple and straightforward. I spent about 5 minutes on this. Okay, now if you think this video is helpful so far, please consider subscribing cause I am planning to give AI solutions to your day-to-day problems. Now after creating your video, here all you have to do is click download. Now let's move on to the next step. The last step is add subtitles. To add subtitles, we are using CapCut. Now let's import our video and here let's add it to timeline. To create subtitles, here select auto captions from the text menu. So now let's uncheck this apply to all option in the upper right corner. If you don't uncheck it, all the following lines will shift in according with whatever changes you make to the position of one line. This will make it easier to customize the subtitles locations later. And now let's add some conversation bubbles to the scenario to highlight the text. Here go to stickers menu. And now let's select an bubble. This will make our video more interesting. And choose cartoon. Select this dialog box and place it below and align with the subtitles. You can adjust the size and position of the bubble, size and position and alignment of the text. Move each line into the bubble one by one and adjust the position and the capitalization. Now follow the same method, add dialog boxes for each and every character. Once you're done, now you can export the video. Let's take a look at the final video.
Hello, friends. Welcome to our beautiful forest. My name is Ellie the elephant, and I'm so excited to meet you all today. I have some wonderful friends who live here with me. Let's meet them, shall we?
Hello, friends. I'm Freddie. I like to explore the forest and find new adventures. There are so many exciting things to see.
Hi everyone, I'm Max. I love swinging from trees and eating bananas. It's so much fun.
So, if you want to learn more about these kind of cool AI tools, AI tips and tricks, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with the next video. Have a great week.